We asked our doll friends via polls to choose whether we restyle Fashionista 180 with pastels, blacks, or metallics. All platforms combined, pastels wins our poll, followed closely by blacks. Metallics didn't fare well, so for today's video, we will restyle her with your choice. Before we begin, let's appreciate our doll and her packaging. Older fashionistas used to come in zippered baggies, and only a few physical stores in the Philippines sell them in these. They've been replaced by the curd box, and honestly, I'd choose this baggy packaging because we can use these as carrying cases or as storage for other stuff. Fashionista 180 is on a tall body. In my opinion, she's one of the prettiest older fashionistas, and I'm glad to find her in the wild. She is wearing a tie-dye romper, and this velcros in the back. She also has on a pair of white high-cut sneakers, and this yellow bracelet. This is my only black doll with blonde hair, much less in this hairstyle, so when I saw her, I made sure to get her. This doll has the Playline Mobili face mold, and she has brown eyes and hot pink lip color on a closed mouth. This doll has a dark skin tone with noticeable rosy undertones. This is yellow color block Made to Move from the first wave of Made to Move dolls. I thought she would be a good candidate for her, but her skin tone's a little warm. Here's purple tie-dye Made to Move from wave 3. She looks much darker than our first doll, but against Fashionista 180s, I can see here that she's also a little warm. Then there's Looks 21. Her skin tone looks a little warm compared to Fashionista 180, but it's not too far. Plus, they both have rosy undertones, so I think this is going to work. Let's remove her head. I made future rebodying easier for this Made to Move body by removing the wings from the neck peg. And let's put the head. And here she is on her new body. As promised, we will redress her with a color palette of your choice, so let's have her in pastels first. I think I'm gonna have to remove her buns. I decided to style her hair similar to this fashionista. One of my most favorite outfit set is that of Looks number 20. They use metallic pastels, so in a way, it's a combination of our two poll options. I would also want to try out the outfit of Looks number 21. Unfortunately, her skirt had disintegrated, but I think we can use the Looks number 20 skirt for that. Here she is wearing our first pastel outfit. I also got this outfit set from Shopee. It comes with a knitted one-shoulder dress, and this faux fur jacket with some glitters. I got it cheap so the inside isn't lined, but I think it looks good on her. Her next outfit has the original pieces for this body, except for the skirt. This is actually included in a set that I bought online a few months ago. This is made with faux leather, and it also has a belt stitched on. And even though the material is not similar to the original skirt, I think it still looks great. And I think between the lavender and the pink one, this is my favorite so far. For our other winning look, which is blacks, I'd like to dress her in an outfit inspired by the newest Style by Design doll. Closest equivalent I have is this black romper worn by PTMI 2023. I'll also use these black shiny leggings, these black shoes, and this bucket hat by Mini Brand Sneakers. And with our doll having puffy hair, I hope this hat would fit. I really wanted to have her wear this hat, but unfortunately, since her hair is very puffy, it sits like that. So I think we can skip this. But with the glasses on, I think she's still giving the same vibes. I have a strip of black faux fur. I meant to sew this into a jacket, but I think we can use this as a stole or a drape. Here's Fashionista 180 in black. And with it styled like that, I like that it looks like it's a jacket when it's not. Also, I'm able to play around with the placement, giving our doll different looks. And even though Pastels technically won, I think black takes the cake. Let us know in the comments below which of her different looks you like the most. Thank you for joining us in this Restyle video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ty's Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.